I will now show you how to turn a slide into an animated GIF, and it's actually quite simple. Go to File, click Export, and then select Create an Animated GIF. Set the size to extra large, make sure Make Background Transparent is checked, then click Create GIF and save it. That's it. To see it in action, create a new slide, then go to Insert, Pictures, this device, and select your newly created GIF, or simply drag and drop the GIF directly into the slide. Sadly, PowerPoint is a bit limited in quality sometimes, and as we can see, the bubble doesn't look as smooth as we'd like. However, for our final product, this doesn't really matter, since our goal is to create white and brown outline versions as GIFs. So, let's go ahead and create those versions now. Create a new slide, then go to Slide 1. Find the Home tab, click Arrange, and open the selection pane. Now, copy Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 3, and don't forget the flower pot. Paste the copied elements into Slide 3, the one you just created. With all 4 grouped elements selected, head into the Shape Format tab. Remove the fill color, then apply a white outline. Let's check it out. Play the slide. That looks good. Now, let's export it as an animated GIF, just like before. Go to File, Export, Create an Animated GIF. Before clicking Create GIF, make sure the slide range is set to 3 to 3. Otherwise, it won't work properly. Save the GIF, create a new slide, and insert the GIF to see it in action. That looks pretty good. Now, let's repeat the process, but this time, change the outline color to brown instead of white. Duplicate Slide 3, then drag it down so it becomes Slide 5. Next, format the background to white and change the outline color of the flower to brown. Then, export it as a GIF, just like you learned earlier. Go to File, Export, Create an Animated GIF. But this time, make sure to set the slide range to 5 to 5, so only Slide 5 is exported. Once saved, insert the GIF into a new slide with a white background to check how it looks. That's it! We have successfully created our first set of animated GIFs, which we will later use to build a clickable menu. But before that, we need to create the other 4 visual elements. In the next session, we'll tackle the next challenge. Let's keep going.